160 years in the making. Discovering, shaping, creating. Because we believe our bodies should never hold us back from who we are or what we can do. We call it Life Unlimited. It's about driving the pace of progress to make technology that takes the limits off treatment and redefines recovery. Because when we restore the body, we restore the whole person. It's about leading to go far, far bigger than before. This means more care, more collaboration, and more courage. It means making more of the world's leading products across sports medicine, orthopedics, and wound management. Because in the end, it's about putting players back on court, getting farmers back to farming, builders back to building, helping every life be as full as it can be. Welcome to the new Smith+Nephew.